Keep your distance, watch for instability.
Roger that. Checking the hull.
Status report, now. This needs to be perfect.
The snout is far worse than the schematics indicated.
These teeth are completely rusted.
We need to reinforce these.
The primary hydraulic valve is showing excessive corrosion.
It's worse than the diagnostics suggested.
Focus on reinforcing the mounting brackets first. The primary structural corrosion is localized here. We need to stabilize this section first. Check the axle connections at the rear. Keep moving toward the rear, examine all access points and damage.
Commander, over here. These exhaust ports look compromised.
Check the rust fittings. All right, team, secure the hydraulic supports first.
Copy that, lifting now.
Technician B, double check the front cables.
On it, boss. Lines are taut.
Keep the tension steady on the 4 cables. Confirmed. Hydraulics are ready for the forward shift. Slow, controlled movement. Watch the alignment on the platform.
Open the doors. Prepare the gantry.
Doors are opening. Platform is ready.
Slow entry. Watch your clearance.
Vehicle is secured. Begin assessment.
Secure those front wheels with the heavy-duty chains. The damage to the upper jaw is extensive. We need to force it before attempting to move it.
Keep sweeping the cabin roof and vents.
Roger that.
Be careful around the corrosion on the mechanical housings.
All right, lowering the forward panel now. Copy that. Coming in hot. Watch the rust on that edge.
The loose dirt is gone. Now we tackle the heavy rust on the armor and teeth. We've marked the worst sections, leader. Ready the lifts.
Secure the forward mounts, team.
Locked in, boss.
Verified. Engage the lift, slow and steady.
Keep it steady. Check all lifting points. Confirm tension. Monitor structural supports. Slow lift.
Engaging lift sequence. Keep clear of the lift path.
Cables are holding. Steady on the right.
Lifting confirmed. Checking hydraulics.
Verify all fluid lines are capped before removal.
Copy that. Sealing fuel lines now.
And double check the torque wrench settings for that main coupling.
Secure the forward chains, technician.
Understood, Commander.
Ensure the weight is evenly distributed. Engage hydraulics slowly.
Commencing lift, Commander.
Engage lifting hydraulics.
Clear connections on the rear port side. Lifting confirmed. Maintain steady ascent.
The mounting structure is severely compromised.
We'll need to reinforce the chassis points before we lower it back in.
Agreed. Check the hydraulic lines and electrical systems first. The mounting brackets are severely compromised here. We'll need a complete structural overhaul.
Confirmed. The hydraulic lines are shredded too.
Mark that for removal and replacement. Move quickly. All right, confirm the hydraulic stabilizers are locked.
Affirmative, ma'am.
Good. Let's inspect the main fuel conduits next.
Secure the heavy chains. We need to detach this exhaust manifold carefully.
Keep working on the manifolds. It's still thick there.
All right, moving to it.
Good, we're making progress.
Keep the pressure steady on the manifold. Got it. Focus on those brackets. Watch the splashback.
The engine housings are nearly cleared. Maintain pressure on the manifolds. Focus on those brackets to the left.
Keep it steady. Lower slowly. Checking levels. Secure the second strap. Looking good. Proceed with the drop. Submersion complete.
The process is initiating. Ensure all safety parameters are within acceptable limits. Monitoring fluid levels and reaction intensity.
All right, bring them out. Lowering the units now. Spray them down carefully. Nice work. They're looking perfect. The block is perfect. I want the main bearings installed today.
Affirmative.
All right, team, let's secure that bearing and double check the hose connections.
Copy that. Fitting the bearing now.
Hoses are locked in, leader. Line it up, right there.
Engaging torque tool. Hold it steady.
Torque reading is good.
Next section. Let's get the cover plate.
Secure that fuel line. It needs to be tight. Checking the flow now. Almost done here. We need more clearance for the coolant pipe.
Grab that connector. We're running out of time.
All right, slowly, slowly.
Almost there.
Looks good. Secure the main lines first. Verified.
Check the pressure regulator on valve 3.
Status is green, leader.
And the harness connection? Solid. Ready for power up. Status report.
All systems green at the rear. Axle stability confirmed.
Main cabin sealed, controls responding.
Front gears.
Check the alignment. Keep it steady. Guide it down slowly.
Watch the cables.
Secure it on the trolley.
Okay, it's set.
Move it to the vehicle.
Ensure the surrounding plating is fully deburred before applying the sealant.
Understood, leader.
Line it up. Keep it steady. That's a clean weld. Good job.
Engaging primary hydraulics.
Confirmation.
Secure supports under the axle.
Support set.
Begin separation. Maintain slow, steady pressure.
The axle bearing is seized. We'll need the high torque wrench.
Okay, lifting it clear.
Assess the corrosion on the mounting plate before we clean it.
Keep it steady. Check the tension on the suspension mounts.
Inspecting the mechanical connections.
Looking good.
Let's move to the next wheel.
Line it up carefully.
Just a little more. Hold it steady.
Perfect. Now, tighten the bolts.
Keep the light steady there.
Found a hairline crack on the rim.
Mark it for immediate repair. Next tire.
The chassis and suspension are solid. We're ready for the hull assembly.
Yes, leader.
Looks perfect.
All right, bring her down slowly. Watch the alignment on the platform.
Copy that. Slow and steady. Landing confirmed. Securing now.
Keep the silhouette.
Taking this section now. Looks good. Let's prep the frame. Keep it steady. Perfect. Start the weld sequence. Welding confirmed. Nice work. That's a secure fit. Let's move to the next section.
Keep it steady. Looking good. Another one going in. Aligning the center plate now. Perfect fit, team. Move out.
The alignment looks perfect. Proceed with the hydraulic connection.
Copy that. Tightening the right side now.
And double check the reinforcement on the teeth.
On it, boss.
Keep the water pressure steady. Make sure to hit the recessed area as well. Grab a new one from storage. This one's beyond repair.
The mounts are secure. Now for the lenses. Perfect fit. Let's power them up.
Good. The seals look secure.
Sure.
Excellent work. Looks perfect. The reinforced armor plating looks solid. Check the seal on the side windows.
Roger.
Excellent. Now, the articulated jaw system. Pass me the pry bar. Careful with those wires.
Got it.
Okay, now the main panel.
Right.
Excellent work on the rust removal, gentlemen.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let's get that coating applied evenly, no overspray.
Roger that.
Line it up with the designated marks. Affirmative. Secure the lower section first. Got it.
Me core sections. The heavy-duty frame is looking perfect. Fit the fresh industrial upholstery. Right, securing it now.
Reinforce this beam here.
Get those seats secured.
Cleaning the storage lockers now.
Make sure that bundle is secured properly to the main circuit.
Understood. Tightening it now.
Perfect. Power up the diagnostics.
Line it up with the guides.
Got it.
Check the upper circuit. Secure the bolts now.
Connection confirmed.
The front cabin armor is secure. The new brackets are solid. Moving on to the teeth.
Systems check initiated. Structural integrity at 100%. Ready for assembly.
Carefully remove the rusted exterior here.
Understood. Keep the internal framework intact.
Working on it.
Okay, crane operator, proceed slowly. Copy that. Moving plate into position. Looks aligned. Drop it in. Engaging locks.
Check the stress points here.
Verified.
Secure the rear panel now. We're on schedule.
The roof systems have been cleaned and repairs are complete.
Inspecting the main vents now.
All mounting points are secured. The railings need reinforcing here. Fabricating a new ladder now. Secure these joints tighter.
The seals need to be reinforced here.
Understood. Preparing the adhesive.
Good. Let's inspect the locking mechanism on the next door.
Secure the final section.
Affirmative. Welding initiated.
Checks complete. Excellent work.
Status secure.
The welds look good. Let's start with the corrosion protection here.
Copy that.
Moving to the rear armor.
The refurbished snout and mechanical teeth are perfect. Let's check the cabin armor and railings one last time.
Status on the access panels and piping is green.
Excellent work, team. Focus on the articulators, then move to the cabin.
Keep coverage consistent around those armor seams.
Copy that, moving slowly along the hull.
The paint layers are looking good.
We're almost finished with the aft section.
Keep the coverage even on the vents. Checking the seal on the wheel housing. Nice work, team. It's looking perfect.
The alignment and seating look perfect. You've done excellent work.
Thank you, boss.
Looks solid. The alignment and seating look perfect. You've done excellent work.
Thank you, boss.
Looks solid.
Keep it steady. Down slow. Perfect.
Locks confirmed. Solid.
Good job, team. Final checks.
All right, slowly lower it now.
Steady, steady. Almost there.
Perfect. Secure the mounts.
Line it up perfectly. We can't afford any play in the mounts.
Adjusting now.
Torque needs to be spot on.
Check the stress points on the lower bracket, team. That power plant needs to sit perfectly level.
Secure the main coolant line first.
The hydraulics are looking good.
Double-check the electrical connections.
Fuel system is online.
Excellent, the restoration is complete.
Keep an eye on the pressure in the hydraulic system.
Copy that. Monitoring levels now.
And check the torque on these service connections one last time.
Proceed with jaw actuation, gentle cycle.
Hydraulics engaging.
Pressure rising, jaw moving.
Initiating jaw closure.
Engaging hydraulics.
Teeth alignment is optimal.
Check pressure.
Opening jaws. Complete.
Controls are green, initiating downward cycle.
All right, light them up. Status green across the board. Look at that glow. Keep working on that armor.
Yes, ma'am. Looking good, boss.
Excellent work, team. It's ready.
Keep the pressure steady on the seams. Looks good here. The clear coat is setting perfectly. Move the robots to section 5.
Keep working the polish into the deep grooves of the hub.
Make sure to get the residue off the lower sidewall here.
That shine is looking perfect now. Move to the next one.
Excellent. Move to section 7. On it. Check those hinges for alignment. Looks good, ma'am. Verified. Final checks on the cockpit.
She's fully restored and operational, ready for deployment. The engine runs smooth. Good work, everyone.
Yes, leader. Mission accomplished.
Ready for anything now.
Engaging drive systems. All wheels online and rolling smooth, ma'am. Confirmation. Unit 2800 is go.